What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Financial Fitness, brought to you by the Old Fashioned Health Network. Good health inside and out. I'm your host, Jared Myers. Hey, while you're sitting around thinking about the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, all coming up on us, what you really need to begin to prepare for is that 2019 tax season. By January 31st, your employer or contractor should have postmarked your W-2 or 1099 forms, however you receive your taxes. Guys, through that process, we're going to list out some simple steps for you to get ready for the 2019 tax filing season. One, the first step is if you're an employer and you work for a business or an entity, you're going to receive a W-2, whether you're salary or hourly wage. Man, that is a tongue twister. You're going to sit here and you're going to receive that W-2. If you're a contracted independent worker, you're going to receive a 1099. In that process, if you're self-employed, of course your taxes are going to come a little bit differently. However, there's help. IRS.gov will be the website you'll need to go and look at for getting ready for the tax season. They'll help you list, look up, research, and walk you through the simple steps of filing your taxes. Guys, it's imperative that right now that you get ready to get this stuff together, so by April 15th, when that time comes, you won't have to file for an extension. By then, you should have everything together and we'll be good to go. The next step is if you're an independent contractor, such as a bunch of people out here that have side jobs that hustle and do what you got to do, mad respect to you, you'll need to itemize your deductions. You'll need to itemize reports. You'll need to set out certain things for expenses and things like that, because it is important whether you're logging mileage, logging meals, paying for things, business expenses as well. If you're a business entity, you'll have to figure out and get with a CPA business-wise. I recommend to people who do have their own businesses. Sit down with a CPA, get good advice, and seek the right counsel when it comes to finding out what you need to file your 2019 taxes. If you're going personal, as I mentioned earlier, your W-2 kind of states everything that you need to do. You can input it on websites like TurboTax, TaxSlayer, or even go to H&R Block. Whether you go online or go inside one of their brick and mortar locations, guys, it's going to be beneficial to seek help when you can. Finally, when we're going through the process of figuring out what we need to do for our taxes, relax. Begin the process now. Prepare what you need to have done. And ask that CPA, ask a tax preparer, ask someone that can really give you the right counsel of advice through this process. Don't allow these little tax companies that just spring up during tax season to help you and tell you to file this, file that, claim this, claim that, list this as a dependent, list this as a... You yourself need to independently go figure out how you need to file your 2019 taxes, benefit yourself, get on the right track. Whether you pay in or whether you receive a refund, make sure that it's all going to be used in the right way, because it's going to have to go again in 2020, 2021, so forth and so on. Guys, I hope you guys really gained a lot of insight from this episode. We are getting ready to file our taxes here. Well, me, myself personally, because I have to get ready for this myself. Thanks so much for tuning in to Financial Fitness. I'm your host, Jared Myers. Again, Old Fashioned Health Network. Good health inside and out, promoting healthy, positive change, not just for you, for your pockets as well. Y'all have a good one. See you next time.